Hi everybody! Today I have a video how to install a lifeline because I have 15 rows, 5, and I was supposed to get 15 rows, but the machine didn't do 15, it did 17. So now I have to remove 2 rows, so I count 15 rows, and then I will grab half of this stitch like this with my wool needle, and I use some contrasting color. In this case it's black, and I will go around like this, staying on the same row like this. There, take my time. It's a quick video, it's not long, just to help. If you do a blanket and it's too long, you will be able to fix it, change the length. So I continue, almost finished. Or if you do any project and it's too long, you could cut it. There, half of it. And voila! There. Now it's time to remove it. Like this. Pull, pull, pull. Waste yarn is gone. Now it's time to remove the 2 rows of red that I have an extra. And voila! All the stitches are safe, and I could continue my project. See you next week for a new video. Ciao, ciao!